Presenting the Zebronics 18.5-inch HD monitor in black color. The HD resolution provides a balance of color, contrast and clarity for improved picture quality. The Zebronics 18.5-inch LED monitor comes with an anti-glare display with a 16:9 aspect ratio that provides clear and immersive visual experience across a wide viewing angle. With 16.7 million color support and high dynamic contrast ratio, the monitor delivers vivid colors and clarity with deep blacks and bright whites, allowing you to clearly see even the darkest or brightest scenes. The monitor has an 8 millisecond response time to ensure that objects are rendered clearly, offering an immersive viewing experience. The Zebronics monitor features a slim design with glossy bezels and comes with a built-in power supply. The monitor also comes with a wall mount option. It comes with a VGA port for easy connectivity. The monitor comes with adapter, stand, user manual and VGA cable included in the box. This monitor comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.